Hello children, today we are going to practice learning our sounds.
Remember, my turn and then your turn, okay? S, z, sh, unk, b, k, d, g, j, p, q, w, x, y, ch, a, e, I, o, a, e, I, O, U, R, or, ow, boy.
Our new sound for today is My turn and then your turn. Well done. Good job. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at our picture side and it's of a leg. So, leg. Well done. Leg. Fantastic. Leg. Amazing. Okay, let's look at some pictures with the sound. Lorry. Well done. Ladder. Well done. Lolly. Fantastic. And our last one is leg. Well done. We are now going to write the sound So, down the long leg. We have a picture of a girl and there's an arrow pointing to the leg. So we're going to be writing this word down. But before we write this word, we need to sound it out. Are you ready? G. How many sounds are there? Well done if you said there are 3 sounds. Our first sound is so I need to write it down. So down the long leg. G. What's our next sound? And can you find it on the sound chart? Well done if you said it is E, and here it is on our sound chart. So lift off the top and scoop out the egg. So we've got G. What's our last sound, and can you find it on the sound chart? Well done, it is G, and here it is on our sound chart. So round her face, down her hair and give her a curl. I would now like you to have a go at practicing the sound, and can you have a think about other words starting with the sound and write these down. We would love to see your writing on Evidence Me. Thank you, bye!